Now I'm recording.
Oh,
Okay, so I
scout.
sent Sam Lasky in to talk to the crazy man, and I'm gonna send Hecate in to talk
Bro, he's
to.
sweet.
I'm sending
sweet.
Hecate to talk to Grandma for insight, right? And I'm gonna need. Nope, Sam Lasky's using that, so I'm gonna send Dane. I'm gonna send you to talk. I'm gonna send you for attachment on Sands.
How are we doing, Grandma?
Let me see how well Hecate does. This one box.
I sung to Grandma.
Okay.
Grandma,
Dane.
I am singing to
Dane,
you.
you already have a
You
negative.
are an extra child. I love you,
Sam
Grandma.
Lasky's doing
You
bad.
are-
This is not accurate. Accuracy level.
This isn't canon.
This isn't canon because you see Sam Lasky would have
Put
almost.
a hat!
That's
Oh,
alternate universe, Sam
is
Lasky.
this alternate universe where Sam Lasky isn't as amazing as he is?
That we got him from. the
Oh, I'm
alternate
sending Captor
universe.
in to use the mirror of
Because
danger.
actual Sam Lasky was too busy, so we just grabbed one from an alternate.
Okay, Dane, you did meh. Captor did meh. That's disappointing. Hecate, you're doing well, I think. Let me see how it is. I want to see how this ends. Yeah. Okay. Well, Dane, I'm sending you to the crazy man. Okay, Dane.
Hello.
Okay, I'm sending Heck.
Heck.
Ah! Captor's working. Okay, Dane. You're gonna do instinct with the.
I wanna do world.
I'm gonna do.
Wow, Hecate. I'm sending you back to Grandma again. I want you attachment. I
we
want you
mix
to
it
be
up?
attached. I want you to be attached to Grandma. I want you
Okay.
to love Grandma.
I already love Grandma.
Captor is gonna talk to.
I love her
Captor's
too
gonna
much.
talk. Captor's gonna talk to Sam.
Oh,
Oh, cool off, meltdown, level 2. No. Da 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 da. Let's see, escape information. No ego gifts. Dane, you're doing horrible with the crazy man.
Hello.
Dane, you're really disappointing. You have
You're disappointing.
5 negatives. Hecate has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positives.
With Grandma?
Yeah.
Of course.
Grandma loves it.
He loves Grandma.
Day 4 work complete. I'm done.
I love you, Grandma. A lot.
Spy!
I won.